this is Arun here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is class 4th of C Sharp, and in this tutorial I will teach you what is typecasting in C Sharp. So let's start. Typecasting is when you assign a value of a one data type to another data type. That is called casting. When we are assigning one data type to another data type, that is called casting. And there is two type of casting in C Sharp. One is the implicit casting, another is the explicit casting. Implicit casting will happen automatically, we don't need to do anything, and explicit casting we have to do the manual. So let's see one example and let's see how it will work. Implicit casting. So this is implicit casting. Implicit casting is done automatically when passing a smaller size type to a large size type. So let's see this program and in the Visual Studio. So here you can see I have one integer data type and the value is 9, and I have another variable that is double, and I am assigning integer to double, so it will print 9 and 9. So you can run this program and we'll see 9 and 9 means that casting is happening automatically. Next, explicit type conversion. It is also possible to convert data type explicit by using built-in methods such as convert.boolean, convert.double, convert.string, and convert in 32 and 64. So this type of casting will happen the explicit casting. So let's see in the Visual Studio and see the result. So let me uncomment this. You will see here I have one integer data type, next data type I have double, and this I have boolean type. So here I am trying to convert. If you will see convert dot string, I am putting int, like convert int to string. Second line, convert int to double, and the third line is convert double to int, and it's happening here convert boolean to string. So if you will run, now you will see all the values here. So this is explicit casting. We'll show you in next example how you can do in the real practice. Okay, so let's move on next slide. C# get user input. In this slide, actually in this line, I'm trying to explain console.readline means user inputs. Whenever we have to take some inputs from the user, that in that case we will use console.readline. Like one example I can give you. If I need to print some user name, and then after the username I wanted to enter inputs, name or anything, my name or any other name. So once I will enter, it should print username is like this. So you can read the definition from here. So let's try this program, console.readline. So this is one line, I wanted to print enter user. Next line, I will take one string data type and I will use the console.readline. So once it will assign in the console.readline to here, now I will print this message username. So let me show you how you can enter the name. Once you will run, enter username. Now I can write here because I am taking input from the user. So Arun Saini, it will say username is Arun Saini. So that is the meaning of this. Next, the console.readline method return a string, therefore you cannot get information from another data type such as integer. The following get error. What error we will get here? If you will see console.writeline, enter your age. Okay, then next line, it has integer data type, and then console.readline always will return the string, and he's trying to assign string to int. So that will lead the error. You will get error cannot implicit conversion type string to int. So let's resolve this error and we'll see. Let me comment my existing one. Let's try this. Now you can see here, enter your age. I'm trying to print one message. So after that it will, if I will do like this, console.readline, it will give the error cannot implicit convert type string to int. So let's resolve console.readline, because int is the smaller and we need to convert as a large size. So you can see here, now error is gone. Try to run and see the result. Enter your age. Now you have to enter your age. Once you will enter your age, then click enter and it will print the message your age is 29. So this is the conversion, this is the typecasting in the C#. If you have any questions, just let me know, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.